Hello everyone, my name is Anshuman. I am here to present my idea to Aquadive. I am from Salwan Public School, Trans Delhi Signature City. So we have copied this idea. Like as you have seen the dam, there is a water turbine placed at the opening of the water dams, and when the water is moved in the force, the water turbine is generating electricity. That electricity is enough to power a city for 4 to 3 days. So why does not we don't input it in a car on a small scale? We have inputted in a water tank with a water pump and a water turbine. The use of water pump here is to pump the water into the water turbine with such force that it start moving, and the motor connected to the water turbine will generate electricity. As we have used a 9-volt motor, it is generating 12-volt drive. So we have used an enhancer that can be also used in the bigger project of bigger cars. So that project gives you output of if the input is of 12-volt, then the 5 times of 12-volt is 60. So the output of the maximum output of the enhancer is 60 volts. And when the enhancer is giving us enough energy, we can charge our battery with it. As we know that water is denser from petrol or diesel, so we have ensured some safety precautions for our driver or our passenger. Like we have installed a gyroscope that will give a warning if the car is getting tilted or getting disbalanced. So and it will start giving emergency signals. And if the driver is ignoring it, then it will start changing its lane on the own, and it will also give emergency signal on the car, so that the previous back driver behind us or the in front of us will know that something is wrong with the car, and will make the precautions. We have also implanted an ultrasonic sensor that will give us the accurate reading of our surrounding, and it will make our car more enhancer, and it will give us a more accurate rating if we use a webcam, which we will for sure use in our future. As we know that Tata Curve or Tesla also use this same concept, we have also used that and made a car Aquadive. Thank you.